Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create and share a Google Doc. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is navigate to docs.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. And if you don't see Google Docs, you might be underneath another one of the Google Drive settings. You just would go ahead and select the hamburger icon at the top left to open up the main menu. And then you would select Docs. And where it says start a new document, select the blank document option right there. And now at this point, select the share option at the top right corner. Now you likely would want to give the document a name before sharing it. So just go ahead and give it a name that you would know, for example. And then you would select the share button at the top right. Now at this point, go ahead and enter in any email accounts you want to share this with. Now, if the user is going to be editing the document, I believe it has to be a Gmail account. If you just want to have them be able to view it, I don't think you actually have to have a Google account in order to actually view the document. But assuming it's like a group project, for example, you probably want to have people share or leave comments. You go ahead and enter in the email address of the person you want to share it with. You can click on the drop-down field next to it. You can select viewer, commenter, or editor. So if you want someone to be able to edit it, you can select editor. Commenter means they can just leave comments, referring back to certain text that's on the page, and it will be a little text bubble. And then you can also do a viewer setting, which just means they can just view the document and that's it. You can also select the little copy link paperclip icon at the bottom left to just go ahead and copy the link. And if you paste it in, and that's pretty much it. And then you just would go ahead and send it to whatever user you're looking to invite to your Google Doc. And then you would select send. I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.